Are you looking for how to auto update and refresh pivot table in Microsoft Excel? Here in this video, I'll show you how we can do that. In this Excel sheet, I have the data of some dates, product name and quantity sold. The products are repeating multiple times in different dates. From this data, if I create here a product wise total quantity sold report by using the pivot table, then the newly added data will not reflect automatically in the pivot table. So this video covers the right method of creating the pivot table so that every time you add here the new data, it will automatically show in the pivot table report also. Let's get started. First of all, you have to convert your data into the tabular format. To convert the data into table format, click anywhere inside the data, then press Ctrl T in the keyboard. This will open the create table dialog box. This you can also do by going to insert tab, then table. And here select this my table has headers option because this data has the header row. Then click on OK. The data is converted into the tabular format. Now when you add here new records, then the table will automatically expand and the pivot table will also update its source. Now to create the pivot table, click anywhere in the table. Click on insert tab, then pivot table from table range. Select where you want to generate the report. I will take the existing worksheet and in the location I will select this cell where the pivot table report will be generated. Click on OK. And to create the product wise total quantity sold, drag and drop the product name here in the row field and drag and drop the quantity sold in the values field. This is the pivot table report on product wise total quantity sold. Now to auto refresh the pivot table when the new data is added, you have to write a small line of VBA code. For that, right click on the sheet, click on view code. From this drop down, select the worksheet option and here the selection change is auto selected. Between these two line of code, you have to write this code, that is this workbook dot refresh all. Press enter, then you can close this VBA editor window. Now when you add here a new record, it will automatically reflect here in the pivot table. Let me add here a new record. I'll put here laptop. Here you see laptop is auto added. When I put here the quantity is automatically given. As you keep on adding more records here, look at the pivot table. The data is being automatically updated. If you want to save this functionality in your Excel workbook, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, save as. From this file type list, select Excel macro enabled workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select desktop from here. Then click on save. Close this workbook. And here in the desktop, you can see the macro enabled version of the file is saved. Open this. Click on enable content. And here if you add a new record, in the product, let me put a Bluetooth speaker. And here you see in the pivot table report, the new product is automatically added. So this is how you can make auto updating and refreshing pivot table report in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample data file from the link given in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.